Hi, in this video we're going to show you the Windows Photos app OCR text scanning feature. So that way if you have an image with some text and you want to copy the text from it, you could easily do so. And if you didn't know, the Windows snipping tool, which is their screenshot tool, has the same thing built in. So if you take a screenshot of something with some text, you could actually grab the text using that as well. Alright, so we're going to show you a few examples here. We'll start with this first image. So it's just a picture with some text on it, so you can't highlight it or select the text or anything like that. But if you hover down here, we have the scan text button. So if you click on that, it'll analyze it and read the text. And then you need to right click on it, select all text, and then you can right click again, copy, or just do Control C. Now if we go over to the clipboard here. So this one didn't work that well. As you could see, it put the best at the bottom for some reason. So your results may vary. All right, so let's try another one here. Let's try this one too. All right, so this one has some other stuff on it, so let's try it again here. All right, you can do Control A and Control C if you don't want to right click. Okay, this one looks like it worked out pretty good here. Even capitalize the name here at the bottom. All right, let's wipe that out and let's try the next one here. All right, Control A, Control C. All right, and that one worked just fine as well, and even had the capital letters. All right, so now let's say you have a scanned PDF or something like that where it was scanned as an image and not as text, like this here. So this is just a scan, so I can't select it. So you can do the same thing, but I'll show you something a little different here. So now that we have the text selected here, if we don't want to copy all of it, we could actually just take the stuff we want from it, Control C to copy it, and paste it in there. So that way you don't have to take all of the text from your image if you don't need all of it. And of course you can still do Control A to select everything, copy that, and paste it in like so. Alright, so once again, just open your image, click on the Scan Text button, and it'll kind of highlight the text, but you still need to select it by either right-clicking, select all text, or Control A, which it shows you here. And then you can Control C or click on here to copy text and paste it in whatever you like. And I think eventually Microsoft is going to add an option to where you could go to the settings for photos and have it automatically scan text and images by default if you want to turn that on. So look for that. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.